Hey guys, this is a quick video on how to install or mount one of these correctly on your windshield. Basically, this is an EasyPass transponder which is used to pay your tolls on highways and turnpikes. You can use an EasyPass from any of the 18 states in the US where they're applicable and they all work the same. The first step is to clean your windshield with a glass cleaner and a clean cloth. Next, on the back side, simply peel off the sticker over the adhesive on both the sides, but be careful not to peel the adhesive itself while doing so. Now hold the device in a way where the arrows on the sides point upwards and the EasyPass logo is in a readable orientation. To mount the device, place it approximately 1 inch below the shaded area and 1 inch to the right of the rearview mirror. Stick it, press and hold for around 5 seconds to secure the glue. In case if you're wondering about the positioning, it is simply to avoid obstructing your view. When you're done, detach it from your windshield. Secure it inside the packet that comes along with the device and then store the packet in your glove box. This prevents it from unnecessary scanning. And now you're good to go. Thank you for watching.